How to number pages on Google Docs. Hey guys, my name is Jules, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to number pages on your Google documents. So let's jump into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to docs.google.com and ensure that you are logged into your Gmail account. Next, you have the option to create a new document by clicking on the blank option or opening an existing document that you want to add page numbers and formatting to. Next, you want to click on the Format tab, and on the drop-down menu, click on Page Numbers. A dialog box would pop up, and you have the option to decide if you would like your numbering to be showcased on your header or your footer. For this example, we would go with the footer. Next, you have the option to decide if you would like to number the very first page of your document or not. For this example, our document includes a title page, so I'm going to decide not to include number formatting on that page. So therefore, I would uncheck this box. Next, you have the option to decide from what number you would like to start numbering your pages, from 0, 1, 2, etc. For this example, we would start from page 0. And if we click apply, you would notice that our title page does not include page number, as we had previously unchecked numbering our first page. But from the second page, you can see it starts at number 1. Alternatively, if you would go back and click page numbers and decide to start from page 1, and again not include numbering formats on your title page, and you click apply, again you would see that the title page is free from any numbering. However, your second page starts from number 2. So for this example, we will decide to start numbering our pages from page 1, and in that case we need to enter 0, as we are not including numbering in our title page. Once that is completed, you may further decide to edit your page numbers by changing the font, the size, by bolding it, or simply placing it in the center of the page. You may also decide that you want to include the word page, in which case you simply type the word at the header or the footer or wherever you have decided to place your page numbers. And that is how you number your pages on Google Docs. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If there is any other topics on Google Docs that you would like me to do a video on, simply leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.